Okay, let's get this thing rolling like a couple blunts. Just went and bought an L. Yeah, nigga, on that cocaine, put a gun to my head, bust a cap like Kurt Cobain. Go ahead and relieve my pain. Traumatize you weak niggas. Oakley's on my eyes, you can't tell I'm high. Out on the street slinging that wood, yeah, cash money ain't a problem. We always stacking, we ain't never lacking. Go ahead and keep on laughing at the white boy rapping on this track. I ain't never shuffled my feet and I damn sure ain't never missed a beat. Cause a nigga, I am a beast. I am the best and the freshest. I got so much swag, I should have a country with my own flag. It'll be whipping in the wind like me whipping my Benz. You better approach me gently, cause if you don't, better be looking for that Bentley. It'll be coming at you quickly. Yeah, I got a brother. His name is Nathan. He is never hesitating, always procrastinating. He's a model. Yeah, did I mention he's also my role model? He lives in the NYC. Niggas can't see him, but don't ever overlook him. He's rising to the top while he's making that pussy pop. He makes it pop and drop it like a bad habit. He says he's just gotta have it.